At Lake City Inspections, we know that you would like to extend the life of your water heater. To properly flush a water heater, first connect a garden hose to the drain down valve. Run this hose to a nearby drain or outside for discharge. If you have an electric water heater, make sure to shut off the power. If you have a gas water heater, turn the setting to pilot. Next, open the drain down valve. After 1 to 2 minutes, close the supply valve. At a nearby sink, turn on the hot water and leave it on. Return to the water heater. Once the water heater is drained, you can turn the supply valve back on and let the heater flush for 1 to 2 minutes. Finally, close the drain down valve and let the water refill to capacity. Return to the open faucet and wait for all air to be purged from the tank and from the lines. Once the air has been bled, shut off the faucet. If you have a gas water heater, be sure to change it back from pilot to the previous setting. If you have an electric water heater, turn the power back on. Be sure to consult your owner's manual. In some instances, if the water heater is old or maintenance has not been kept up with, flushing could cause more harm than good. To find out if your water heater could benefit from a flush, contact Lake City Inspections today.